2, 3, funky.
Hey guys, it's Melanie. Long time no see. Why do I say that? I post regularly. I've been posting regularly every Friday at 11 a.m. Kind of proud, not gonna lie. Don't know why it took me so long to get a posting schedule. We're not gonna talk about that. But today is everybody's favorite video, including mine, and it is a try-on clothing haul, and it is a summer try-on clothing haul, which I'm really excited about because you guys know I absolutely love summer fashion, and you know, this was an ube latte, so good. A little bit caffeinated right now. If y'all didn't know, I don't take caffeine well, so that's why I'm a little bit hyper in this video. I just want to say a huge thank you to Princess Paulie for sponsoring this video. I have been a huge fan of Princess Paulie for quite a long time. They take up a great majority of my closet, and I'm not gonna argue about it because I absolutely love their style and their clothes. Very cute, boutique-y, perfect for the summer. I don't know. If you guys want to shop Princess Paulie yourself, you can use my code Melanie for 20% off your entire order. Princess Paulie is doing free express shipping on all orders over $50 in the US, so be sure to go ahead and check them out so you can get your cute summer clothes nice and quick. Other than that, let's get straight into this video. I am so excited to show you guys what I got for my summer fashion. I am planning on doing some summer lookbooks and such. Make sure to let me know what kind of outfit videos and ideas you want to see, and make sure to follow me on my other socials because especially on like Instagram and TikTok, I post a lot of like outfit inspiration on there just based on what I wear on a day-to-day basis, so be sure to check me out there. Yeah, let's get straight into this haul. Alright guys, how could I forget? The top I'm wearing right now is actually from Princess Paulie. I really like it because it's long sleeve, but it's still like you can wear it in the summer because it's a very light knit material, if that makes sense. You'll see it a little more in the try on. I think it's the perfect fit because, as we discuss in every single video I've ever made, I don't have boobs, but this still looks okay on me, which is great. And it doesn't show too much cleavage. It's just the perfect amount that I can wear like some nice layered necklaces. And I don't know, just the fit of it I think is very flattering and very comfy. It also little dangly here so you don't see like pit stains. Like, so many perks. Can we like just talk about it? I think this would look great with literally anything. Shorts, skirts, jeans. I'm wearing it with jeans right now. The first time she wears jeans when she's filming a video. Can we round of applause, guys? I got these shorts. I already have a pair like this from Princess Paulie, and they're kind of my favorite things ever. As we talked about, I have the body of a 12-year-old boy, meaning I'm very not. These are very flattering because it cinches in at the waist and then they kind of like poof out, hence the whole like paper bag trend, which I really like. They're also very stretchy and elastic, which I really enjoy because that means they're way comfier. I just have a pair of like medium wash, the same pair of shorts from Princess Paulie, so I of course had to get these black ones, wear them all the time. Love these, a staple. Another pair of bottoms that I got is this skirt. I think I've been mentioning this quite a bit, and I've honestly been doing quite good, but I've been trying to wear more like dresses and skirts because I had the realization that they're so much easier to put on. They make you feel cute, you look cute. You barely have to try, to be honest. You just look like you got your life together. So I got this one. It's kind of like a light blue periwinkle shade, and I think you'll be able to see it better on the try on, but it's kind of like a shift mini skirt, and it has a little bow like tie on the side, which I really like. It's a very nice, I think it's called chiffon. I can imagine like this would look so cute in like a photo, you know, that, you know, Santorini, like Greece, where all the buildings are white and blue and stuff. Like, I mean, I'm not going anywhere, but it would look cute there. It's quite adorable, love it. And skirts are just awesome. I think you'll be able to see that because I got a lot of skirts in this haul. So let's show another one. This skirt I really enjoy because I think it'll be great for like summer and fall because it's plaid and it's like the what is this called? Tennis skirt trend. And so it's really good for like that schoolgirl look and stuff. And I think this is really adorable. It gives me like Clueless vibes, stuff like that, you know, those TikToks where you're like, POV, I'm a movie character. I could make one of those and wear this with a little mini purse. And also I've been really into like mustard and lime green recently, which is really new territory for me because I used to like be not like, I didn't hate green. I was just kind of like, green, you could choose a better color, but I really, really like this. I think it'll give a nice pop of color. I could wear this to a picnic, could wear this to a lot of things. And I think these look really good either like in the summer with little tank tops, but they also look really cute with those big oversized sweaters for the fall and stuff. I'm excited to wear this. And along with that tennis skirt, I got another one. But this one is kind of like, it's more of a pleated skirt than a tennis skirt, which I know they're very similar, but first off, the material is different. This is like a very, very thick material. I don't know what it's called because I don't know my materials. It's very thick. It also has like a belt already like around it, which I think is cool. I didn't even notice the belt when I was shopping, but you know, that's fine. So I imagine myself wearing this with like the oversized sweater look, but who knows? There are several ways to style. It's kind of like fitted at the top, I guess, and then the pleats start kind of like midway, opposed to the other one where the pleats go all the way up. Either way, I really, really like this, and I think this would even look cute with like some tights or something like that. Maybe some chunky sneakers. I feel like you could even wear them with like Air Forces. What am I saying? You can wear Air Forces with literally anything. Okay, now for my alternate ego. Those two skirts were kind of like a little bit sporty, I guess. I'm not sure. But this is my like dainty cottagecore picnic girl vibes. First off, I have this top. Love this already. Like it's kind of hard to imagine here, but it's kind of like off the shoulder-ish. It gives me kind of like Cinderella princess vibes because the sleeves are a little puffy and it has the nice button up in the front. It kind of looks like, not a corset, but like, you know, like a little bit. It just reminds me of like Cinderella. I think this would look great with literally anything. There's nothing I love more than like a plain white top, to be honest. Half of my closet is plain white tops, just in like different variations and shapes and stuff, like hence this, because there's just so many ways to wear it. You can like style it up and down with jewelry, you can accessorize however you want. I just love it. So this is just another one of those. And to go along with that, I got another white top. So this one's a tank top, because I was realizing I don't have that many tank tops. Most of them are just the plain, like super, super basic, like dollar ones. Has the nice like little scrunching ruching here. I think this would look adorable with literally anything. No, ruching, super, super in. I like that it's all elasticy here, so it's not like you're showing too much cleavage. I have this crop top, and it's a little bit out of my comfort zone, to be honest with you. You know how girls wear like bandanas with mom jeans or something, and it's kind of like they wear it as a top, but it's just a tiny little piece of fabric. It's like that, except it's made to look like mimic the bandana style, except it's not one. So it's kind of like that triangle front. I don't know why I'm doing this. You'll see it in the try on. Very nice silky material, and it has a bunch of like different patterns. The next thing I will show you, this skirt. Once again, it has the fun little tie on the side, except this one is a little different. It has like ruffles and stuff, which might be a little hard to see because of the pattern. It's just like white with black little polka dots everywhere, but I really, really enjoy this. I think it's quite adorable. It kind of has like the flare on the bottom too, and then it has a ruffle like wrap around the front. Okay, now I got one pair of pants. These, oh, I already love these. They have very like beach vibes, very boho-y-esque vibes, which I like. It's kind of like this textured color. It's like a textured material. It's very, very soft. It has a button, but it also has like a little bow tie and a nice stretchy elastic waist, and the legs are just very flowy, which I absolutely love that. It just reminds me of like long walks on the beach and sand. And then the last things from Princess Paulie are some dresses, because I mentioned how I've been really into dresses recently. First off, this one is just a very, very simple shift dress, and it's this like sage green. I think that's what it's called. Just look like this. It's just like a very, very simple straight cut across the top. It has like skinny little straps. It's also strappy in the back, and I also like that it's very, very adjustable because you just tie the strap in the back. It makes it a lot easier to shop online. This one is also kind of going along with the boho-ish vibe, and it's just a very, very simple white dress. It reminds me of this little petticoat that I would wear all the time when I was younger. It's just a nice textured material. Once again, it's kind of tiered and flowy, which I really like because it gives that like baby doll kind of girly effect. You can probably see the detail better in the try on, but it just has a lot of lace detail on the very front part, and then it also has like lace trim. The last dress I got from Princess Paulie is this one, which once again goes along with many of the trends that we've seen in this video. First off, it's the dainty girly thing. It also has the little flare ruffles on the bottom. It has the straight cut. It would look good with some rose gold jewelry, some like nice strappy sandals. I absolutely love shopping on Princess Paulie for like dresses and skirts especially. Make sure to check out Princess Paulie and use my code Melanie for 20% off. Some other items I thrifted and got from random places. First off, I have this one top from this Instagram shop called Sunkissed Coconut, and I really like the shop. You can already tell by the name. It's kind of like that beachy VSCO vibe, you know. I am in love with it. First off, the colors, so bright, perfect for summer. It just says Sunkissed on the front of it because it's the name of like the brand and stuff, but the back is what really got me, guys. This design is insane. I love it. You know, just like the RV, it has the peace sign. It's so like summery. Now the rest of the items are things that I thrifted. First off, I got these jeans. They're by the Lucky brand. I looked at the price tag. I'm quite dumb. I thought it said $2.99, but it said $12.99. And I know $12.99 for jeans, not that bad, but like my whole plan with these was to like totally destroy them, like distress them, and like, so I kind of just wanted scrap fabric for cheap, but then I ended up spending a lot, and so I was like, so these basically better turn out into the best pair of mom jean shorts ever. Next off, I got these two pairs of like light wash denim shorts because I've been looking for some good ones. So I have these ones from American Eagle. They're both a little oversized, so I don't think I'm gonna be trying a lot of these on because they don't really fit super well. I have to like hem them and sew them and stuff to make them fit. I have these ones also from BDG, and they're kind of weird because they have like a flap. Like they're super short in the front and they're super long in the back, so I think I have to cut them and distress them myself, but they're still both a really good base pair of jeans. I just have to like alter them a little bit. The next item is kind of funny. It's also a Princess Paulie item, but I thrifted it. This one is just like another little wrap dress, textured material. It's nice, white. You can pair it with a lot of cute jewelry, kind of like a boho vibe. Have these jeans, which, okay, I thought personally they're kind of cool. They give that like indie hippie-ish vibe, and I actually found them in the little girls section. It was one of those things where you like love it and you also hate it. I really could not tell if these were like cute or ugly, but hopefully I do wear them because I think they're kind of cool. They're kind of like straight jeans slash bell bottoms, and they're a dark-ish wash, but they have this really cool like threading stuff everywhere that's all like wavy, and then it has like butterflies and like random stamps and prints everywhere. I just thought I couldn't pass it up. So hopefully I wear these because I think they're really cool. And then the very last item is this. I've been really into like these button-ups. Like I always go to the guys button-up section, and I don't know if you can tell, but this one is like a baby yellow, and then it has very light blue stripes, but I just like these either as cover-ups, or I'll throw it over a hoodie to add a little something, or I'll just wear it alone. They also just have so many fun patterns in the guys section of like button-up shirts, so I absolutely love looking through those. It's so much fun. Those are all the items from Princess Paulie and that I thrifted, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this haul. I had so much fun filming it, and I can't wait to film some outfit inspiration and outfit idea videos with all these clothing items. Make sure to let me know like what type of videos you want to see from me, and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification button to see my uploads every Friday and occasional Mondays. Also, make sure to follow me on my socials, and yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!